Hello, YouTube, and welcome to an episode of Just Get It There. Welcome to the wonderful world of trucking. I'm going to give you a little bit of a truck tour. Sunday, 7:38. This is the dash that Peterbilt. This is the inside tour. I want to do the outside tour in a few minutes, but yeah, pretty much this is the layout of a Peterbilt dash. And these do not come with the truck. Those are mine. There's the call com for my logs. There is a glove box over there. By the way, this is Indian River's truck, the Peterbilt. Not much room in these trucks. They tell you it's an 83-inch sleeper or an 80-inch sleeper. This ain't no 80-inch sleeper, I'll tell you that much. Here's your wardrobe closet. It opens up like this. This little switch here opens it up. A TV mount, but there's no plug for it. There's no outlet for it. There's all your storage. More storage up here for like a microwave or whatever. And the outlets, there's an outlet right there. So I'd have to run an extension cord to plug a TV in. Bad design. Little alcove, little drawer for that lifts up for more storage. That's for doing writing. More storage down below. Pretty much bad design. That's the cord for my cooler. That's got to be plugged in over here. Got three little outlets right here. That cord's pretty much in the way. And a little refrigerator with a little drawer on the bottom. Not much room. As you can see, I'm going to step out of the sleeper. There's not much storage. Not much space. So that's the inside of the truck tour. Now let's go do the outside, shall we? Ah, at least the mirrors are mounted on the A-frame of the tractor, not on the door. But yeah, not much on this yet. Had to get some work done on my truck, so had to get a new windshield and a few other things. But yeah, for the most part, it is what it is. And if you notice, I don't have a trailer. I'm not going to California. I was supposed to go to California, but that got changed. I am now going to Miami later today to go pick up a load and delivering it to St. Petersburg, Florida. Little change of plans. But yeah, that's pretty much the truck in a nutshell. It is what it is when it comes to the truck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, comment, like, share, subscribe, all those fun YouTube things. Let me know if you have any questions about what I do. And by the way, that's not the seat that comes with this truck. If you come to this company, you're going to get a seat like that with a cloth on it that kind of looks like a Freightliner seat. But yeah, the load that I was supposed to pick up, and I picked up, I was supposed to go to California, that has now changed, and I am going to Miami, Florida. Granted, that 2,700-mile run that I had was nice, but I really don't like going to California. I'd rather go someplace other than California. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting because I'm trying to go home and get the rest of my stuff for my truck. Because right now I have nothing for this truck at all. I got very minimal in clothing. So, because they flew me instead of letting me drive. And I ended up having to spend money on that little cooler right there. So that way I can actually have drinks and that while I'm sitting here because can't reach the refrigerator because the refrigerator is too far away. But yeah, that was a quick truck tour of my truck. But if you want to know more, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe, please. Let's get this YouTube channel up and running. Let's get up to 1,000 subscribers. Come on. I'm not even close to that. I'm only 124 subscribers. So let's bring the channel up. Show your support. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me and I'll answer your comments. I'll get back to you on it. But until then, this is it for now. Bye.